In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Google Meet on your PC. Whether you're gearing up for a work meeting, attending a class, or planning a catch-up with friends, having Google Meet installed and ready to go on your computer can make virtual meetings seamless and stress-free. So let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is open Google Chrome, as this is the browser that provides the best compatibility with Google Meet. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. Here, you will see an icon that looks like a small computer screen with a downward pointing arrow. This icon is the key to installing web apps directly onto your desktop. Click on this computer icon and you'll notice a small pop-up or prompt will appear. This prompt is essentially asking you if you want Google Meet to be installed as a standalone application on your computer. By doing this, Google Meet will have its own window separate from the regular browser tabs, offering a more streamlined and efficient experience when using it for your video calls. Now, after you click on this computer icon with the arrow, follow the on-screen instructions that appear. This usually involves confirming the installation by clicking on an Install button. This step is crucial as it grants permission for Chrome to create an app version of Google Meet on your PC. It's worth noting that the installation process will only take a matter of seconds. Once the installation is finalized, you will see Google Meet appear as an application either on your desktop, in your Start menu, or located amongst the applications in your System menu, depending on your PC setup. After installation, launching Google Meet is as simple as clicking on its new icon from the chosen location. This allows you to join meetings quickly without needing to open a browser first or navigate through several web pages. Additionally, this method of installation keeps Google Meet more responsive and reliable, as you're running the app directly instead of using it through a web browser tab. In case you ever want to uninstall the app, perhaps to clear up some desktop space or perform a fresh install, you can easily do so by heading back to Chrome, clicking on the browser's settings, and navigating to the Apps section to manage or remove web-based apps. And there you have it, a straightforward,